It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Today on New Friday.
What are we gonna have?
I don't know.
Hazelnut spread.
Hazelnut spread.
M&ms.
M&ms. Today is another New Friday. We're gonna taste hazelnut spread. Not fried.
Hazelnut spread. M&ms.
M&ms.
Pretty big.
All right, try them out.
They look pretty big. They smell like M&Ms.
And I like them. And
There's like a nutty, like creamy thing in there. It kind of tastes like peanut butter, but it's not thick enough to be peanut butter. And it tastes way sweeter.
Mama, can I have some more?
I would give it a thumbs up. I think that it's better than the normal M&Ms. Better than that. But it's not the best. Yeah, it's not too good. It's good. It's good, but not too good to me.
So how does it compare to the peanut butter M&ms? Which is better?
I probably the peanut butter. These ones are better because these ones have like the peanut butter thing, only it's more creamy and sweeter. I think peanut butter are better.
How about compared to peanut M&ms?
Peanut. This would be better than peanut M&Ms. I prefer peanut.
And regular M&ms.
This.
All right. You ready to try some?
What are they, Nutella M&Ms?
No, hazelnut spread. Which could taste a lot like Nutella. But we can't use their name, right?
That one.
I don't know, they're kind of
That one.
taste like peanut buttery ones.
Can we get one?
I don't really taste the hazelnut. I say because they're M&Ms, they're good, but they're nothing special for M&Ms.
All right, Colin's joined us. Give it a try.
Mom, can I have some? That kind of tastes like peanut butter, but it's a lot sweeter.
So you like these more than the peanut butter?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Goodbye.
Bye.